if you want to open keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy S25, you can, for example, go to Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. And then over here you will find Samsung Keyboard Settings, and you can find a bunch of different settings that allow you to adjust the keyboard to your needs. If you have other keyboard, then of course you will see the settings menu that is according to the keyboard that you have. But if you want still to go to the Samsung keyboard settings, then in that case you can go to keyboard list and defaults, and then over here you should be able to find Samsung keyboard. And this is also how we can open the keyboard settings. Furthermore, if you tap, or actually if you open the keyboard and if you don't enter anything, then you should be able to find this gear icon over here that you can press in order to also jump to Samsung keyboard settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!